Hey guys, how you doing? Did you hear that? The eggplant was telling me an amazing dish to be cooked today. So today we're gonna cook the same eggplant and we're gonna stuff it. So we're gonna make stuffed eggplant. You wanna know how I did it? I'm Cosito. Let's go! With Thanksgiving behind us, this stuffed eggplant dish is a great idea. So start by slicing the eggplant in two. Follow this by carving out the insides of the eggplant with a spoon. The last time we did something like this, we made sailor boats. This time, we're making cruise ships. FYI, do not carve out all the insides, leave a little body to it, such that the shells don't crack. Next, cut the insides into smaller cubes and then set them aside. And also, chop up 1 onion and then just peel 2 cloves of garlic. Don't need to slice these up. Later on, we'll mince them in. Next, on the stove, heat up a bit of olive oil and add some butter to it for added flavor. Given that after the eggplant is stuffed, more seasoning / flavor cannot be added. So the idea here is to stuff the stuffing
Got it!
with as much flavor as we can. So add the onions, followed by salt and pepper, and for spice, chili flakes. The chili flakes are optional, but highly recommended. Brown these off in the pan for a minute. Then proceed to add the eggplant to the pan too. As the diced eggplants are browning off, this gives us the best opportunity to add more flavor. So sprinkle a teaspoon of oregano on top, followed by a teaspoon of garlic powder, and lastly add salt and pepper. Be sure to check out the description for all the ingredients. Now while you're at it, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and also ring that bell icon to get notified when new videos are out. This helps out the channel a lot. Thanks! Now, getting back to the video. After the eggplant has cooked for about a minute or so, add 1.5 teaspoons of tomato paste and mix that through. Lastly, to the stuffing mix, add the minced garlic and cook it off for 30 seconds. Be sure to add the minced garlic right at the end or else it will not survive the journey in the oven. The stuffing mix is done, so set it aside. Continue to beat up 2 eggs in a bowl. In a big bowl, throw in the stuffing mix. Then slice up some cherry tomatoes and add them to the mix. Furthermore, just finely slice up your preferred cheese. You can also use grated cheese for this and just skip this whole step. Throw in the finely sliced cheese and then continue on to stir in the egg. Mix it thoroughly and it should end up looking something like this. Grab a baking tray and cover it with olive oil. This such that the eggplant cruise ships do not stick. Also, rub the eggplant cruise ships with olive oil inside and out such that they don't become too dry when they are in the oven. Yes, get your fingers all up in there just like you're oiling your... Now to conclude, stuff the eggplant cruise ships with the mix. Make sure you fully fill those up. So now they are ready to go into a 200 degrees preheated oven for 50 minutes. At the end, they'll come out looking like this. Come on, let's taste.
The flavor, oh my god, it's so real. Like,
as Patricia just said, the taste is amazing. None of the ingredients is overpowering the other ingredient. It's yum! You see that? A completely vegetarian stuffed eggplant. It only took 50 minutes in the oven. Check out the description for all the ingredients and also subscribe! Hey, like the video right now. This has been Cosito's Kitchen and showing you the difference between a chef and a cook. Take care guys. Peace.